In 2026, a YouTube channel quietly crossed 3.11 million subscribers. Not a gaming channel, not a tech channel, not Mr. Beast, not Logan Paul. This channel does one single thing: happy birthday songs. Not one, not 10, 39,000. 39,000 videos. All of them the exact same song. Their most viral video? 86 million views. And here's the real question nobody's asking. How much money is the most boring channel on YouTube actually making every month? When I ran the numbers, I had to calculate it twice. Picture this. Somewhere around 2015, a creator sits down in front of their screen and asks one deceptively simple question. What happens on everyone's birthday, every single day, all around the world that never ever changes? People want to send each other a happy birthday song, but not just any birthday song. They want one with their name in it. That one insight gave birth to a happy birthday song with names. No drama, no big budget, no team. Just an idea so simple that almost everyone would have walked right past it, but they didn't. And here's what most people miss about how this channel actually works. They never needed the algorithm to recommend them. They never needed to go viral. They never needed anyone to share their videos. Instead, they built a search trap and scattered it across all of YouTube. But what they didn't know back in 2015 was just how massive that trap would eventually become. The insane long-tail strategy behind 39,000 videos. Here's the mistake 99% of creators make when they start out. They try to compete for big keywords. Happy birthday song. Millions of competing videos. You'll never rank, never. But happy birthday song Vion? Do you know how many videos exist on YouTube for that exact search? Almost zero. And this is the genius move they saw coming back in 2015. The world has billions of names. Millions of birthdays happen every single day. And every single person, when they type their name into the YouTube search bar, finds exactly one video waiting for them. Their video. No competition, no SEO war, not a single dollar spent on ads. Just show up first, cover everything, and wait. And now, the real number this system generates every month. A conservative estimate, one average video gets around 50,000 views per year. Totally reasonable given their audience of parents and kids in the US, UK, and Australia. RPM for kids education content in those markets. $2 to $10 per 1,000 views. Let's use the middle, $4 RPM. 50,000 views times $4 equals $200 per video per year. Multiply that by 39,000 videos. Go ahead, I'll wait. Yeah, $7.8 million per year in a perfect scenario. Reality is lower. Not every video hits 50,000 views, but even at 10% of that, we're talking close to $1 million a year from YouTube ads alone. And that's not even close to the full picture. 8 genius strategies and the move that made me stop and think. So how does a channel turn one simple idea into a money machine that runs forever? Let me walk you through exactly what they did, because every single layer of this system is intentional. It starts with personalization at scale. Here's a psychological fact. There is nothing a human being will click on faster than their own name. Think about it. You're scrolling YouTube, you see Happy Birthday Vion, your name. You stop, you click, you share it immediately with every single person you know who has that same name. That's not content. That's a viral loop built into the product itself. And the genius part? They didn't need to manufacture that emotion. They just needed to put a name in a song, and human psychology did the rest. But here's what makes it truly unstoppable. Birthdays never go out of style. This is what we call evergreen content. News videos die in 24 hours. Trend videos die in a week. Tutorial videos become outdated in a year. But Happy Birthday Vian? That video will get views every single year, on the same date for the rest of time. As long as someone named Vion exists on this planet and has a birthday, that video earns money. The channel made it once. They earn from it forever. Now, combine that with the production cost, and this is where it gets almost unfair. Their entire system runs off one single template. Same animation, same melody, same visuals. The only thing that ever changes is the name. Cost to build the template? $50 to $100. One freelancer, hired once. Cost to produce every video after that? Basically zero. And this year, with AI tools like Suno AI, you don't even need a freelancer to record the vocals. Here's the exact process. Go to suno.ai, type in a prompt like upbeat happy birthday song for a boy named Vian, cheerful melody, children's voice, celebratory mood. Wait 90 seconds, download the MP3, drop it into your video. That's it, one song, professional quality, ready to upload. And here's something most people don't think about. These songs are royalty-free. You created them with AI. You own them. No copyright strikes, no content ID claims. Pure, clean monetization from day one. Now, once you have the videos, how do you make sure people actually find them? Playlist organization. And it's more powerful than most creators realize. The channel doesn't just dump 39,000 videos randomly. Everything is structured. Playlists by country, by gender, by language, even by celebrity. Donald Trump, Joe Biden, Mr. Beast, each with their own dedicated playlist. Why does this matter? Because YouTube rewards structure. Playlists increase watch time. Watch time triggers recommendations. Recommendations drive views. Views generate revenue. But they don't stop at YouTube. Every stream, even just 30 seconds, earns royalties. Completely separate from YouTube, running automatically, in parallel, forever. Their own website captures organic demand through a simple form. Can't find your name? Request it for free. Viewers become their research team. Viewers become their marketing team, and when the video goes live, those same viewers share it immediately with everyone they know who shares that name. Zero ad spend, infinite reach. And then, the move that made me genuinely stop and think. The one decision that 99% of creators, even those with millions of subscribers, never make. Multi-language domination. They didn't stop at English. They expanded into 60+ languages: Turkish, Chinese, Russian, Arabic, German, Spanish, and counting. Every new language is a completely fresh blue ocean. Hundreds of millions of new viewers. Thousands of names nobody has touched yet. And here's the RPM arbitrage most people miss. One view from Germany or Australia is worth 3 to 5 times more than a view from a lower-paying market. They didn't just scale wide. They deliberately scaled into the highest-paying audiences on the planet. Now, if you're wondering exactly how to do this with AI without recording anything in a foreign language yourself, I made a full step-by-step video on my channel walking through the entire process. Link is in the description below. Before we get into how you can copy this formula, if you've made it this far and you're thinking, okay, this is actually genius, hit subscribe right now. Because this is exactly the kind of channel breakdown I do every single week. And if you want to go even deeper, the free newsletter at tubeoperator.com breaks down strategies like this step-by-step every week. No fluff, just what actually works. Sign up at tubeoperator.com or click the link in the description below. All right, now let's talk about how you can build your own version of this, starting today. How you can copy this blueprint starting today. Now you're thinking, okay, this is all great, but can I, a regular person, actually do this? Honest answer, yes, but not by copying this exact channel. Happy Birthday Song has already covered most popular names. You can't out-execute them on their own turf. But their formula, that's 100% yours to take. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find your own version of this in under 10 minutes using a free tool called vidIQ. Here's the exact process. Open vidIQ, go to the Research tab, type in a simple seed keyword, something broad like background music for. At first glance, it looks competitive. 7,293 searches per month, medium competition overall. But here's the move most people miss. Sort by competition, lowest first. Suddenly, the whole picture changes. Background music for work, 123,157 searches per month. Very low competition. Background music for gaming, 74,718 searches. Very low competition. Background music for videos, no copyright, 58,623 searches. Very low competition. Background music for Reels, 58,623 searches. Very low competition. And even the low competition keywords are hiding massive numbers. Background music for videos, 432,067 searches. Low competition. Background music for YouTube videos, 108,188 searches. Low competition. Background music for shorts, 103,138 searches, low competition. Background music for studying, 87,786 searches, low competition. Background music for gaming videos, 77,354 searches, low competition. The broad keyword looked scary, but one sort later, you've got a goldmine of high-volume, zero-competition keywords sitting right there completely untouched. And now apply the birthday song formula on top of this. Music for X. Reels, vlogs, documentary, podcast, horror, cooking, commentary, wedding, meditation. Each one is its own video. Each one owns a keyword nobody else is targeting. Each one runs the same template, same vibe, same production, just a different label. That's not one video. That's a library of 100 plus videos waiting to be made. And it doesn't stop at music. Try sound effect for gaming, horror, notifications, cooking shows. Try white noise for baby sleeping, studying, tinnitus, focus. Try timer for 25-minute Pomodoro, 5-minute break, 1-hour deep work. Try pronunciation of every word, every name, every place on earth that someone somewhere is trying to learn to say correctly. Every single seed keyword you type into vidIQ, sorted by lowest competition, reveals a completely new map of untapped territory. The Birthday Song channel found their goldmine back in 2015 without any of these tools. This year, you have vidIQ. You have AI to produce the content. You have automation to scale it. They had a good idea and a lot of patience. You have everything they had, plus years of technology advantage. The only question left is, which seed keyword are you going to type first? Let's go back to where we started. I asked you, how much is the most boring channel on YouTube actually making? Now you have the answer, but the real answer isn't a number, it's a lesson. A lesson I've learned the hard way over 10 years. Here are the 3 things you need to walk away with from this video. Takeaway number 1, stop competing, start owning. Don't chase big keywords. Find the space where you're the only one. Zero competition always wins. Takeaway number 2, build assets, not content. Every video should still earn money 5 years from now. If it won't, start over. The goal isn't views. The goal is videos that pay you forever. Takeaway number 3, systems beat talent. This channel didn't win because they're creative. They won because they built a system and let it run. Takeaway number 4, one language is one income stream. Translate your content. Spanish, German, Turkish, Arabic, Chinese. Each language is a fresh audience and fresh money. Same system, same template, new market. Same system, same template, just a different market. Happy Birthday Song didn't try to outstroke Mr. Beast. They didn't try to beat the algorithm. They simply showed up earlier, covered more ground, and stayed more patient than anyone else. 39,000 videos, nearly 10 years. But every single video they uploaded, even if it got 10 views on day 1, became a digital asset that keeps earning money forever. That's the difference between someone who makes content and someone who builds a system. Which one do you want to be? If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button right now. I break down channels like this every single week. And the free newsletter at tubeoperator.com, if you haven't signed up yet, do it! Links in the description. Now, if this video got your brain going, you're going to love this one next. I found 15 real people running million-dollar businesses with no employees, no office, completely on their own. And I broke down exactly how each of them did it. No employees, no office, $1 million plus. I found 15 people doing this right now. Click it. I'll see you there.